Huge return. I just made $52,000, guys. It's all about the buyer power. Take a look at this coin name. This is stupid name is SalmonSwap. Who cares for SalmonSwap, man? But we don't care for the SalmonSwap. We care for these volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. I got the buyer power right here. I shared this coin in the private list on April 15. We bought this coin for 84 cents, guys. Put a sell order up here, $2.20. 160%. I made $15,000 in this coin in this trade, guys. You gotta ask yourself why you put a sell order right here. This is 1 hour chart. Let's go to daily chart. We use a daily resistance, guys. When you trade pumps, we focus on daily resistance. Let me show the coins I share in the private list on the last 2 days. We trade Shen Crypto, Komodo, Enno Cash, SalmonSwap. I just mentioned about a Bella Protocol, Super Bitcoin. Take a look at those 7-day charts. Most of them the price go flat, the volume spike happen right here, plus buyer power, the coin pump, pump, pump. They pump because the buyers control the market. My soft is we only trade coins with high buyer power above 70%, guys. Always volume pump. Take a look, Shen Crypto. Shen Crypto was pretty huge returns, guys. Let's talk about today only about the coins we pump because Shen Crypto, Komodo, one more time, exactly the same thing, guys. Volume spike right here on Friday 14, volume spike right here on April 16. Sunday, I shared this coin in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 28 cents and put a sell order right here. Again, 47 cents. I made 6,500. Same thing, daily resistance. Here we go. Daily resistance. The order get filled. Guys, feel free to reach me out. pumpdumptime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster, guys. I developed this software. This software is not for sale. With this software, I control the entire market. I know everything is going on in the market right now. Right now, it's tracking 5,000 coins. 5,000 coins is probably the half of the number of coins available. Take a look at how much coins I have in my software. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumptime@gmail.com. And the last trade recap, Super Bitcoin. Who cares for Super Bitcoin? We don't care for the stupid name. We care for the profit this thing provide. I shared this coin in the private list on yesterday. We bought this coin for so many zeros, 473 plus right here. So many zeros, 681. 43%, 45%, 4,500. Let me know if you want to get your name in the private list. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.